Hi, fam. Welcome. So, good morning. In today's video, I will be doing some deep cleaning, like really deep cleaning. If you're new here, hi, my name is Jessica Tronovek. I'm a Nigerian tuber based in Nigeria, Abuja. I'm a mom of one. I'm married to a Slovak. If this is what you're interested in, kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment. So my daughter was crying when I was doing this. This is what happened in my previous vlog when me and hubby cleaned her room. So she was crying. I had to back her and wear my trousers. So, and right now I'm sweeping inside of the bed. After sweeping it, I'll go into mop it. So please keep on watching. So we'll be cleaning my room. We'll also be deep cleaning the toilet, and we'll also be doing some laundry. So please keep on watching.
Stay with it. You don't need to water it down. No one else has the same story. Stay with it, please.
So after cleaning the floor, I also takes a rag to clean the side of the bed because those places too are also dusty. And I was also doing a live stream on Facebook. In case you've not followed me on Facebook, kindly follow me there. My name is also Jessica Tronovek on Facebook. So after that, I will fix back the things for the bed and also mop as I go, and fix it back and mop as I go, then fix the bed. So please keep on watching, guys.
I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself. Is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes around comes around.
So far here, I'm changing the bed sheets. Like the sheets were dirty, I'm going to change it into a white one, and just putting the duvet cover. Okay, hack, in case you don't have anyone to help you out in putting the duvet cover, just use peg to hold each side of the duvet and you are good to go. So that's what I did in this. So far right now I'm sorting out our dirty dresses. I sort out my dresses by color. I put the white one different, the black one different, and the multicolored one different. That's how I wash my laundry. So far here we are washing, deep cleaning the bathroom. First of all, I'll use my Harpic to soak the toilet. Okay, then I'll add some omo on the toilet sink, or washing sink, whichever one we call it. Then I add some Vim because that also helps to really deep clean your toilet or your bathtub or your shower floor. So here I'm using my brush to really give this a scrub, like really wash all corners of the shower floor, because you know when you bath and you shower, water tends to stain all those areas, so you have to scrub it. So there was some parts I was finding it difficult. So far, I'm using this smaller brush to get the side very well, and inside the drainage and everywhere that I know that the big brush could not scrub. I'm going to be using this small brush to scrub it very well. So guys, I'm done washing the floors, so it's time to wash the walls and of the shower. Okay, so I'm washing the walls with same brush. I'm going to wash it. As I'm washing it, I'm using water to rinse it out immediately. So if it's time to wash the sink, I'm also going to be using the same technique I use for the floor, like use the smaller brush to get the place the bigger brush can get. Okay, so this is really helpful, like to remove all the dirt and all that. So please keep on watching. I hope you enjoyed the rest of the vlog. If you have watched this essay and you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn up the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and I'm also scrubbing under the sink just in case there's some dirt and all that there. I'm also washing the floor of the toilet, of the bathroom, washing all corners of each and everywhere, making sure I scrub out all the dirt. And as I said, this is a deep cleaning, so I really needed to get down on every part of everywhere. So after that, I also washed the walls of the bathroom. I washed all the walls of the bathroom. Okay, and here guys, so here I want to clean the window of my bathroom and arrange my hair, my DIY hair care product. All of them are inside that basket, so I just want to arrange it, remove the ones I don't need and keep the ones I need, and remove the ones that are finished and refill the ones that are not finished. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm using this window lint to clean the window, okay, and clean up part of the windows everywhere I know that I needed to use window lint for. I'm going to use that. I also cleaned the small mirror I have in the bathroom. I also cleaned that as well, then rearrange that area. So I also changed our towels and put on a white towel, and also kept my robes and all. After cleaning all the bathroom, so it's time to clean inside of the toilet. So I'm just going to be using the brush to brush everywhere. By then, everything has soaked, the bacteria have soaked and died. So this is a good way. And after that, I'll flush, clean the seats, and I'll flush. And so right here, I'm going to mop the toilet and I'm done deep cleaning my bathroom. So I'll be putting this candle inside the bathroom just to give it a nice smell, a nice aroma and all. So I'm just going to light it and I'll show you guys the finished look of my bathroom. And I'll be keeping back my clothes basket.
I was born feeding the dust. I built my reputation, fought for recognition. I was raised an underdog, would take any evasion and without hesitation.
So far, we went back to the room to clean because I finished my bathroom, then I'll finish cleaning my room. That's how I clean. So I'm just going to be removing everything in this section. This is where I keep my perfume, my creams, my everything I know that I can easily get my hands on, and everything I know that baby girl can't reach. So I'm just going to remove everything, then clean it, and after cleaning it, I'll rearrange it back.
Understanding, you respected every boundary. You're so exciting, wasn't expecting for you to be here still. I don't think you know. I don't think you know. She's doing to me. I'm blossoming. 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 You know I was better off than a friend.
So in this section is where my makeup, my hairs are. So I'm also going to clean, rearrange and clean and remove those things I don't need. Like there inside that bag is where I keep my hairs, and any other thing I don't need, I'll just fix it somewhere else. That's what I'll be doing right now.
I'm never leaving my guy for another guy just because he's got more than my guy. Because trust and believe, if I like you, if I love you, it's because I see your greatness. I couldn't give a shit if you was a street cleaner at that time. I see your greatness. That's why I'm with you. I see the king in you.
I'm not perfect. Sometimes I don't feel pretty. Sometimes I don't want to slay dragons. Sometimes the dragon I'm slaying is myself. But damn it, I'm worth it. I don't have to barter for my worth. I don't have to pay someone for it. I came out of my mom's womb worthy.
So guys, I'm sweeping the floor, and after sweeping the floor, I will mob. After mobbing, I will also fold our laundry which has dried. So right now I'm cleaning the doors because my room is all white, even the toilet door is white, so I'm also going to be cleaning that. And I hope this video is motivating for anyone looking for a motivational video. I hope this motivates you to clean your house, to deep clean your house, to give your house a new refreshing look. Yeah, so here right now I'm folding our clothes that has already dried. Baby girl is always walking up and down. So this is what I do as a stay-at-home mom, stay-at-home wife. When hobbies not around, I tend to do all this to keep myself motivated and to keep myself doing something. Yeah, doing it all. So I hope this video is motivating enough for you. Don't forget to subscribe. If you're watching this extent, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn up the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So far, I'll show you the final result of my whole room. I'll show you guys the final result. So please keep on watching. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.